In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CM Guppy EMA in TradingView Pro. Let's get started right on your TradingView chart. Make sure you're logged in and have a chart open, ideally on the TradingView Pro plan, so you can fully take advantage of multiple indicators and layouts. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the timeframes and other tools along the top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator you want without scrolling through a long list. Click inside that search box to activate it. Now, type in CM Guppy EMA. As you type, TradingView will filter the results and you should see CM Guppy EMA appear in the drop-down list of indicators. Once you see CM Guppy EMA in the results, click on it one time. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice multiple exponential moving averages appearing, usually as groups of colored lines that follow your price action. That's the Guppy EMA set, which is designed to help you see short-term and long-term trends at a glance. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator's name in the upper left corner of the chart and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, or even the exact EMA lengths, depending on how you like your charts to look. This part is optional, but it can really help you tailor the indicator to your personal trading style and make it easier to read. Now, because this tutorial is focused on TradingView Pro, I also want to mention that if you're not on Pro yet and you're interested in upgrading, you can use my affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and in many cases, you'll get access to any promotions TradingView is currently offering on their Pro plan. Just scroll down to the video description, click the TradingView Pro link, and follow the instructions to sign up or upgrade your account. And that's it. You've opened the indicators menu, used the search box, found CM Guppy EMA, added it to your chart, and you know where to go if you want to upgrade to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description.